Oh, you've got to learn how to make a paperclip heart for Valentine's Day. It adds an extra dose of love to your craft or your card, and literally all you need is a paperclip. I've forgotten that I used to do this all the time when I was a kid, but I saw someone make one the other day and it jogged my memory. I love these colored paperclips. They just add an extra pop to the little heart when you're done and when you add it to your card. But you can use the silver ones as well. But we'll use a paper clip, and I'm using the large one so that you can see what that looks like. But you can also use the small ones as well. In fact, these are small ones right up here. So we take the paper clip and lay it down in front of us, and if you notice, this larger part of the paper clip is on the right hand side and it opens to the top. You can do this two different ways. Let me show you the first way. You just grab this right hand side, and what we're going to do is bend it up like that. You notice that arm is coming back to the back. Then you're going to take it and pull it around to the back again. And there's our heart. Can you see it? Right here and here. So when you clip it on a card, you just slip that down on like that. I like leaving these little top parts here so that a ways from the card so you can see the full heart. That is literally all there is to it. So let me do it again for you. We lay the paper clip down with the larger end to the right and the loose end to the top. We hold it in the center right here and then bend this part up. And you notice the loose arm is back to the back here. Then we grab that and we're going to twist it around to the left-hand side. And then you can kind of just rearrange it a little bit so that it looks like a really nice heart. Hold on to that and slip it down onto the top of your card. It can't be any easier than that. The second way that you can do it is just to bend the paper clip in half. And this arm's going to fold to the back, and this stays to the back as well. You bend it in half and then just shape it the way you want it. So that's easy too. Both ways are really easy, and they come out looking pretty much the same. I just like the way this one bends at the bottom so easily. So that's my preferred method. Now I'm going to show you with a small paper clip. Okay, exactly the same. The larger end is to the right with the loose end to the top. You bend it up. Then you're going to take this end and twist it towards the top and then shape as you want it. That one turned out just a little funky, didn't it? And these are some stitched Valentine's card. I will put the link to that post down below in the description. So if you have a card and let's say you want to clip a gift card to the back, you can just make one of these little hearts and clip it to the top of your card. These work awesome for scrapbooking or for making junk journals. They are a great little addition that you can clip things onto your pages with these little heart paper clips. I'm probably not going to have a single paper clip in my whole house that isn't bent into a heart after doing this. It's addictive. So learn how to make a paperclip heart and add that extra dose of love to your craft or card. For more great Valentine craft ideas, come on over to welcometananas.com and join the fun.